He's got the crowd and his opponent in the palm of his hand.
That can change in an instant, especially if you let your opponent catch his breath. Yes, that was an incredible move. What strategy?
Strategy, my Oklahoma ass. That's cheating, plain and simple.
His opponent telegraphed that one. I think he's looking for a weapon, JR. That's a smart move. He turned the tables on his opponent with that one. Ouch! I don't think that ring bell tastes too good, JR.
And there's a little something for the crowd. The best superstars never ignore their fans.
The best superstars also finish off their opponents instead of giving them time to recover. I almost feel bad.
He's laying waste to his opponent with that ring bell.
So, JR, are you enjoying the match so far?
Yes, I am. I think these superstars are putting on one hell of an exhibition here tonight.
What's your favorite part of it so far?
I don't think it's happened yet. My favorite part of the match will be when you quit yapping and let me enjoy it.
Now, JR. Keep your words soft and sweet because you may have to eat them later.
His opponent's down, and now he's sharing a piece of his mind.
He's going to have to eat those words by the end of this match, JR. These superstars sure aren't going easy on each other here tonight.
What'd you expect, King? This isn't ballet, you know.
Oh, really, JR? Gosh, tell me more about your in-ring experience.
Well, I've got a pinfall victory over Triple H to my credit. How about you?
I don't care how tough you are, JR. No one can take this kind of pain for long.
You're absolutely right, King. We've seen many superstars tap out to this very hole.
Wow, he's putting that ring bell to good use. This could finish the match right here.
So, King, any predictions about the outcome of this match?
No. There's the pin.
What? He's not going to get the 3 count without doing some more damage first.
You're not going to win a match by insulting your opponent.
No, but having the crowd behind you can certainly get the adrenaline pumping.
I hope these superstars can make it through this match without suffering a serious injury.
So do I, King, but this ain't ballet. This is very intense, physical competition.
I've got to say, JR, I'm really impressed by what we've seen here tonight.
How could you not be, King? These are some of the...
Uh-oh. Talk about a hole you don't want to find yourself in.
No kidding! This'll rearrange your anatomy.
What a counter!
I'm not so sure this was about winning or losing anymore. I think it's become more personal than that.
Of course it's personal, JR. Anytime you step into the...
And it's been reversed.
I don't think that these superstars have even contemplated the fact that they might lose.
I'm sure they have. That's not the kind of attitude you come in with and expect to pick up the win.
You're right about that, JR. If you can't see yourself having your arm raised by the referee when it's over, don't bother showing up.
He's taken every advantage in this matchup, and it looks like he plans on taking a few more.
If he's not the dirtiest player in the game, JR, he's a shoo-in for second place.
These superstars are in terrific shape, and that comes as no surprise whatsoever.
No kidding. If you don't have that conditioning, you're not going to last long in a match.
You sure aren't. And that's only one of the many reasons I try to stay out of the ring whenever possible.
This is great, JR. Would you call this one a slobber knocker?
It's too early to tell, King, but it's definitely one hellacious matchup, no doubt about it.
He reversed it. It's matches like this that make this the greatest job in the world, JR.
Absolutely, King. I wouldn't trade it for anything. That went nowhere.
These fans can't stand it when he does this, JR, but I think it's great.
He's sure not going to win over any fans with that move, but I don't think that bothers him too much, quite frankly.
He's looking for that finisher, and he can do it here. He countered that one perfectly. Oh, man, someone had better take that chair away from him. It looks like these superstars are looking for an opening.
And the first one to find one will take control of this match.
Watch out! He reversed it! I don't think the fans appreciated that one very much, but I don't think he cares much what the fans think.
That much is obvious, King. What a low-down, despicable move that was.
These superstars are going to tear each other apart.
That's exactly what the fans paid to see, King.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty. So, how do you think this one's going to turn out, JR?
Honestly, King, I have absolutely no idea. Anything can happen here in the WWE.
But you've got to have a guess, right?
I might, but I'd rather keep it to myself if it's all the same to you, King.
Looks like a tag to me.
Excellent counter. What ring presence.
After some of the things we've seen in this ring, JR, I think we'd better remind the folks. He sure is, JR, and I think he got all of that finisher. I think I know who's going to win this match, but I don't want to say. I'm afraid of.
We could be looking at a pinfall here, folks. 2, 3.
I don't know if everyone's going to be happy about it, but that's the match.
That's what you call a real slobber knocker.
No, that's what you call a real slobber knocker, JR. What does that even mean, anyway?
It means we just saw one hell